Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about 3 common skincare mistakes that you might be making without you even knowing. These skincare mistakes are going to show in the coming years or let's say after a few years, but you need to prevent them to let's say not let them show on your face. So I'm going to be talking about 3 common skincare mistakes that you might be making. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Megha and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first skincare mistake that you might be making is that you're using makeup wipes all the time. Now makeup wipes are actually meant to remove makeup, I know, but the point here is to use them minimum as less as possible, because when you use those wipes, you are actually removing like this. You're removing your makeup like this and you're removing your eye makeup, putting the makeup wipe like this and then swiping it away. Now what you do when you're swiping that makeup wipe on your face, you're actually putting a pressure on your skin that will lead to loosening of your skin in the long term, and plus it can cause fine lines around your eyes, your cheeks and your lip area. So to prevent that, use as less as makeup wipes possible. If possible, always use makeup remover cleansers so that there is no pressure, there is no stretching going on your face. So you will prevent all the fine lines and the loose skin on your face in the coming years. Now the second common mistake that you might be making is that you're using your face mask for too long. If a face mask, there are always instructions written behind or below or on the box of a face mask that for how long they're supposed to be on your face. Let's say it goes for maximum 10 to 15 minutes, but if you're going beyond that time limit thinking that this will provide you more nourishment, more hydration, then no. That mask will in fact soak up all the moisture from your face, and that can lead to even over drying of your face. So if a face mask is saying that it is supposed to be on your face for 15 minutes, don't go beyond that, because that will actually damage your skin more rather than repairing itself. Now the third common skincare mistake that you might be making is that you're using your everyday towel on your face to wipe out all the water from your face after you clean it. Now let me tell you the whole logic behind it. When you wash your face, your pores are open, so that when you apply the moisturizer, it goes inside the deep layers of your skin. Now when you touch that towel that you are using to wiping the water off your body, you're using the same towel on your face. So that will cause all the germs and dirt trapped in that towel to go on your face if you're doing that. So you will clog your pores, you will let all the germ and dirt on your body go directly onto your face, and you will have acne, pimples, irritation, bumps, red bumps, small bumps, large bumps, every kind of thing that can go wrong on your face. So this is a very tiny mistake that you're going to make, which will lead to a lot of skin problems. Secondly, my suggestion is that you have a separate face towel. I have a separate face towel. I use it only for my face. I don't let any other family member even use it. That is just for me and my face. That towel is specifically made for my face. Now the third thing that you will do best for your skin, if you have plenty of time, don't even use a separate face towel. I try to just let it air dry, because even if you're having a separate face towel, that is actually absorbing the water from your face, soak out a little bit of hydration that is inside your face. So my suggestion would be to let it air dry. Just wash your face and don't touch any towel, just sit under a fan and just wait for 5-10 minutes and your face will be all air dry, and you will notice a difference in the hydration levels of your skin. So with this we come to this end of this video. I hope you guys will learn something from this video and not repeat these mistakes again during your skincare procedure. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this channel, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.